Hi friends, Cole here. Thank you for joining me. I'm at Danina in southern Sicily on retreat right now. We're at this stunning 18th century farmhouse, and it's just been an incredible week so far. So excited to be piping in from, magic Italy. So happy you can join me. I'm just going to do a short flow here to get some movement in the body, move the breath around as well. So close your eyes down or let the eyelids be heavy, and sitting up on the heels if this feels, not on the heels, but on the shins if this feels all right in your body. And roll the shoulders back and let the heart center come forward just slightly. Find some extra broadness, a little bit of extra width between each shoulder. And then breathe into that space. Twice more like that. Big inhale, fill up. Maybe out the mouth. Once more, big inhale. And exhale. Inhale, the arms come up. And when they touch, begin to drag them back down on the exhale. Use the whole exhale to get where you're going. Once more. Inhale, push up, gaze up. Hands touch slowly with resistance, drag down to heart center. Once more up. Inhale, lift. This time, clasp the hands. So Kali Mudra or Charlie's Angels Mudra. And we're going to lift the hips up just slightly and send them over towards the left. So we'll have a big side body stretch on the left-hand side. You could pull the belly into the spine just a little bit to engage the core, and then make a big side moon here. Big breath. Maybe spiral the heart open just slightly, gazing up. And then next exhale, float the right hand down, and then reach even more and exaggerate this stretch. One more inhale, maybe cactus the arm, open the heart just slightly. And then on the exhale, we're going to wave that hand forward like you're kind of swimming through the air here, and come into child's pose for just one full round of breath. Inhale. And exhale. Press down through the shins so much that you begin to roll up, slow roll up. Next inhale, arms lift, clasp the hands. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So lift the hips just slightly and shift them over towards the right this time. Spiral the heart open and lean towards the left. One more inhale. And exhale, left hand floats down. Now exaggerate this pose, so get even more side bendy. Reaching through the top hand, even the top pinky finger. One more inhale, cactus the arms, open the heart. And exhale, swim through back around to child's pose. One round of breath. Inhale, fill up side ribs. And exhale, pour out. Press down through the shins, rolling up. And then coming forward into tabletop. And just about 3 rounds of breath here. Move like you. Soften the elbows. Let the head sway, the hips sway. Any kind of movement here. And then tuck the toes. Make the hands really, really wide, and then press down through the fingers, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog, real lazy, bend the knees, send the hips towards the thighs, and shift the weight between the hands and the feet just to begin to feel all the points of contact on the ground. Inhale, the right leg lifts. Lift through the right inner thigh so the hips are square for a moment, and then bend the knee and take some big circles, about 3 with the right leg. And then gazing forward, we're going to take a big step in between the thumbs. Bring the back knee down, one breath. Inhale, lift the arms, Anjaneyasana. And exhale, swoop the hands back. They can touch the ground or they can stay up in the air as you lengthen the front leg. That might be a little bit wobbly. And then inhale, come forward, swim the arms forward and up. And exhale, again, slowly coming back. Once more, swim the arms forward and up. And exhale, plant the hands, shift back, downward facing dog. Let's do this on the other side. Inhale, left the left leg through the inner thigh. And then bend the knee, big hip circles, 3 rounds. Gazing forward, big step through. Really puff up the back as you move forward so you have space to plant the foot. Knee comes down, lift up, inhale. And then exhale, wave back into half splits. Inhale, come forward. The front leg doesn't need to go straight. You're just finding some length. Again, exhale, swim it back. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, plant the hands, downward facing dog. Inhale, wave forward plank pose. And exhale, bend the knees, send the hips back and up, downward facing dog. One more time, just waving through. Inhale, wave forward. And exhale, wave back. Inhale, the right leg lifts. And exhale, step through in between the hands. Low lunge, gaze forward. And then exhale, lengthen the front leg into this pyramid stance. Again, leg doesn't have to go straight. Again, like this. Inhale, low lunge, gaze heart forward. And then exhale, lengthen the front leg, pour forward. Inhale, low lunge, and then we're going to put the weight into the front foot, press down to lift up the left leg, L shape. Staying here for a moment. You can slightly drop the left hip so the hips are square. Reaching the foot, the crown of the head in opposite directions. Great place for a blocks under the hand. And then exhale, slowly we're going to place the left leg off the right side of the mat into a curtsy pose. So both knees are bent. We're going to walk the hands over towards the right. So it's kind of a twisted forward fold. And then wave the spine up on an inhale. And exhale, wave it down. Twice more like this. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, begin to walk the hands towards the top of the mat. And we're going to take half moon, Artichondrosana, but it's going to be real lazy. So you can even leave both hands on the ground. It doesn't matter the alignment here, but we're going to open the hips just slightly. Maybe the left arm comes up, maybe it doesn't. And then slow transition to the back of the mat, Skandasana. So again, you can have both hands on the ground here. Bend the front leg. The back leg comes back, the foot plants, and we're going to slither all the way to the back of the mat, Skandasana. This is a love-hate relationship for most people in Skandasana. The heel, contrary to popular belief, does not need to touch the ground. The hips can even be up. Now let's go to the front. Walk yourself over. Hips can be up or down. Once more to the back. And let's turn now to the back of the mat. Downward facing dog. Beautiful. We'll do this on the other side, but first we'll wave it forward. And exhale, wave back. So if you are turned away from the screen now, you can just listen, and you already know where we're going. So trust your body here. Inhale, lift the left leg up. And exhale, big step through in between the hands. Inhale, open the heart gaze forward, low lunge. And exhale, pyramid pour forward. The front leg lengthens. Again, like this with your breath. In. Bend the leg and open. And exhale, out. Pyramid. Inhale, come forward, low lunge. And then big step up, L shape. So really powerful in the left foot, right leg lifts. Hands can be on blocks. Taking a moment here, finding some length in the spine, finding some space. One more inhale. And exhale, the right foot comes off the left side of the mat, both knees bend. So we're in this curtsy pose, and then we'll take the hands over towards the right. It's twisted fold. Inhale, lift the heart, and exhale, fold down. Twice more with your breath. Just let this feel good. Shift the hands towards the top of the mat. Put the weight back or into the left foot again. Artichondrosana, half moon. Any way you'd like it. The hands can come down. Maybe the right arm comes up. No alignment here. Just let there be soft edges. And then we're going to make that big transition to the back of the mat. So bend the left leg first and really reach back slowly. And then shift all the way back of the mat, Skandasana. Again, hips up, down, doesn't matter. Shift back. And then once more towards the top of the mat. And then turn all the way towards the top. Plant the hands. Downward facing dog. Inhale, wave, forward plank pose. And exhale, wave back. Downward facing dog. Once more, wave, forward plank pose. And this time, come all the way down to the mat, however you'd like to get there. And then wave the hands behind the back and interlace them. Shoulders go back. Fist begins to pull towards the heels. Press the pubic bone down as you lift the heart up. Even tops of the toes press down. Back of the neck is long. And exhale, release. Big round of breath. Now your option, same thing again. Press down to lift up. Or you can bend the knees and grab for the feet, but it's the same cues. Pressing down, lifting up, kicking into the hands. This will help to pull you up. Open the heart. Equal opposition between the kicking and the pulling. And exhale, release. Plant the hands, child's pose. One round of breath. Slowly press down through the shins to lift up the torso. Coming back up to a seat and letting the eyes be heavy. Hands can come together or palm up in the lap. Just 3 rounds of breath to close it out. Just remembering that sometimes we just need to carve out a little bit of space. Can move a lot of energy in a short amount of time. Hello, kitty. Yay. Italian gatto. I think that's Spanish. Anyhow, couple rounds of breath. Next inhale, let the arms float up, hands come up. Maybe the eyes stay closed, but hands come together. Drag down till the thumbs come in the third eye. We'll pause right here. Inhale. And exhale, pour forward, Namasté. Beautiful. thank you all for allowing me to guide you from Italy. And I hope to see you next time on your mat. Until then, it looks like I'm busy. I have some things to do here. See you all next time. Hello, sweetie. She's like a little purr box.